Dear student, in this video, we are going to discuss the chapter number 33, 34 and 35 in GK. First chapter number 33, that is movies magic. A large number of movies are released in India every year. They are getting more and more appreciation in terms of their presentation. They had to go through a series of changes before assuming its present states. In this, what we need to do is, what do you know about the Indian cinema? Write your answer and tell us. So one by one we will discuss about the question and what will be the probable answer of that question. The first thing has given to us, it was the first cinema hall of India built in Kolkata in 1907. What is the name of that? We have got a help box in which we have to be find out. It is Elphinstone Picture Palace. It is Elphinstone Picture Palace, the first Indian cinema built in Kolkata. Second has given to us, it was the first silent feature film made in India 1913 by Dhundiraj Govind Phalke. The name of the movie is Raja Harishchandra. It was the first, third we have given, it was the first full-length talkie film made by A.M. Irani, which was released in Mumbai on 14th March 1931. What is the name of that picture? The name of that picture is Alam Ara. Fourth is given, it was the first multicolor animated film of India made in 1935. It was processed in Germany. What is the name of that movie? That is called Lafanga Langur. Fifth has given, it was the first film with playback songs made in 1935 by New Theatre. What is the name of that? What is the name of that movie? The name of that movie is Bhagya Chakra. Sixth has given us, it was the first CinemaScope black and white film made by Guru Dutt in 1959. That means the name of that movie is Kagaz Ke Phool. The first 3D film made in Malayalam in 1984. What is the name of that? The name of that movie is My Dear Kuti Chatan. My Dear Kuti Chatan. The last has given to us, it was the first talkie film made in English by Himanshu Raj in 1933. It was shot in England. What is the name of that movie? It is called the Karma. So these are the answers which we have identified with the help of the help box. Again, I repeat to you, the answer of first one is Elphinstone Picture Palace. Second is Raja Harishchandra. Third is Alam Ara. Fourth is Lafanga Langur. Fifth one is Bhagya Chakra. Sixth is Kagaz Ki Phool. Seventh is My Dear Kuti Chatan. And eighth is Karma. We have also given a find out question. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? The answer is Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, and it is also called Dada Saab Phalke. He is considered to be the father of Indian cinema. Did you know fact has also given to us? Satyajit Ray was the only film director who was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1992. That means he is the only one who got the Bharat Ratna in our India. So that is the chapter number 33 which has given to us, and that is the description of this chapter. Now we will move on to the next chapter, chapter number 34. And in chapter number 34, what we need to be identify, we have given we want to identify the name of the stadium with the help of given some clues. World's impressive stadiums. One by one we will read the description, and after that we will identify the name of that stadiums. The first picture which has given to us, that it is a football stadium situated in London. It includes a 134-meter high arch. That means it is arch. If you look out the picture, then you can see there is a arch of 134 meter. You can see there is a arch of 134-meter arch is there. So we need to be identify that. So what is the name of that stadium? It is called Wembley. The second picture has given to us, it is the biggest football stadium in Europe and situated in Barcelona. That means it is situated in Europe, and what is the name of that stadium? It is called Camp Nou. That is the name of that stadium is Camp Nou. Third has given to us, it is situated in Arlington, Texas, USA, and is home to the NFL. NFL is National Football League is there. That is considered to be the National Football League. What is the name of that stadium? The name of the stadium is already mentioned on its peak. That is called AT&T Stadium. That is called AT&T Stadium. That is called AT&T Stadium. Next has given to us fourth, it is one of the best cricket ground in Australia. Its total capacity over 95,000, and it is the most famous one, and it is called the MCG, Melbourne Cricket Ground. The answer is MCG, Melbourne Cricket Ground. Fifth one has given to us, it is situated in Munich, Germany, and is a football stadium. It was opened in 2005 with a full color changing exterior. Color changing exterior. What is the name of that stadium? And name of the stadium, Allianz Arena. That is called Allianz Arena. Allianz is a insurance company. Sixth has given to us, and it is related to our country. It is a cricket stadium in Kolkata, and its total capacity is more than 90,000. What is the name of that? That is the last one, and the name of that is Eden Garden. The name of that stadium is Eden Garden. Once again, I repeat to you one by one. The first picture which shows to us, that is the stadium called Wembley. The second one picture shows to us, that is called Camp Nou. Third picture shows to us, that is the name of stadium, AT&T. Fourth one has given to us, it is the name is called MCG, Melbourne Cricket Ground. Fifth one is Allianz Arena, and last is given to us, that is called the Eden Garden, which is situated in Kolkata, West Bengal, in our country. So these are the famous stadiums, world impressive stadiums. Now we will move on to the next chapter, chapter number 35. In chapter number 35, we had to be identify the different Indian sports. That means they all are played in different regions of our country, and they have got some regional touch in it. That means they are having the different variety of sports, but they are regionally very famous in different parts of our country. One by one we will discuss and identify them. The first one has given to us, and very first picture which has given to us, that is the first picture in which we had to be identified. What we have given? It is a famous snakeboard race. It is organized during the festival of Onam in Kerala. That means it is organized in which time it is organized? In the festival of Onam in Kerala. What is the name of that Indian sport? The name is Vallamkalli. The name of that sport is called Vallamkalli. Second has given to us, it is the form of martial art. It is very popular we have given, that is the picture, that is the martial art we have given. It is a form of martial art. It is very popular in the Indian state of Kerala. It is similar to karate. What is the name of that Indian sport? It is called the Kalairi Pattu. That is, the name is called Kalairi Pattu. Third has given to us, it is a popular sport of rural India. It is similar to cricket and baseball. It is played with two wooden sticks. As you can see in the picture, there is a picture and it is played like a baseball and cricket. What is the name of that sports? It is called the Gilli Danda. That is very famous into the rural areas. It is called Gilli Danda. Now we have also given, what is a find out? Now find out had also given to us. People of which Indian state play the game Atya Patya? That is the name of game, Atya Patya. Atya Patya. The name of the state is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, that game is played. Now we have given the fourth one is, it is an ancient game. It is very popular in different parts of India. In this game, a gymnast performed tricks on pole. There you can see in the picture, there is a picture has given to us. Here is this picture in which they are performed the different acrobatic moves, and that is related to gymnastic. What is the name of that Indian sport? It is called Malkham. The name is called the Malkham. Fifth one has given to us, it is a indigenous sports of Meghalaya. This sports has gained huge popularity nowadays. Our country participates in these sports at many important sports events, including the Olympics. As you can see in the picture, you can easily identify that what is the name of that sport. The name of that sport is called archery. If you just identify that picture, in that picture you can find out that man is holding arc and bow, so that is called the archery. Now we will move on to the next one, that is sixth one. It is an indigenous form of wrestling. It is very popular in the Nicobar Island. That means it is very famous in Nicobar Island. And what is the name of that? It is called Krip Krip. That is called Krip Krip. Seventh one has given to us. It is also known as the canoe race. It is an indigenous game of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. That means again it is also related to Andaman and Nicobar Island. And what is the name of that? It is called Asol Aap. That is called Asol Aap. Eighth one has given to us. It is an indigenous game of Mizoram state. That means it is also related to Northeast. It is also known as the rod pushing sport. This game is played by the two players. Each player holding the rod under his arm. What is the name of that? Under his arm. What is the name of that? That is called Insukar. That is the name of which has given to us. That is called Insukar. That is the name of that sport. We have also given a did you know fact. The Padma Vibhushana is the second highest civilian award given in India. Vishwanath Anand received this honor in 2007, making him the first sports person in Indian history to accomplish this. That means Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award given in India, and Vishwanath Anand received this honor in 2007. One by one, again, I just repeat to you what is the answer of these questions. The very first which has given to us, that is called Vallamkalli. Second is called Kalairi Pattu. Third is called Gilli Danda. Fourth one is called Malkham. Fifth one is archery. Sixth is called Krip Krip. Seventh is called Asul Aap, and eighth one is known to be Insukar. That is the Insukar. That is the name of that sports. So these are the chapter number 33 and 34 and 35 which we have discussed here. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much.